Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this hummingbird feeder that was sent to us by the manufacturer for free for us to sample it today. Now, this is the hummingbird feeder right here. As you can see, it comes in a couple different pieces. This metal piece here actually just screws down in here, so you can take it out and then everything will fold nice and flat. But you just put this on here, and then it's got these little clamps on here, and then it will all clamp down. Just clamp one there, clamp one there, clamp that one, and then we'll clamp that one, and boom, there you go. And then of course you'll put all your nectar inside of there before doing that. And then after you do that, you just hang it up. I've got a nice little rack out here that I can hang mine on. Looks really nice. And then of course your hummingbirds can come right up there and start eating out of it. It's got the little holes on here, and sometimes the nectar will build up in there, but they also do include this cool little brush, and then you can take this brush and then you can just clean that out right there. So really easy to use. I really like it. Just got to get me some nectar now, so go ahead and check this one out.